How are statistics compiled? These statistics prepared by the INE are studies of the situation of the population, the economy, and Spanish society. There is a considerable amount of work to be completed out before its results are made available to everyone. We begin by deciding which statistics to perform. Let's say that the National Statistics Institute only carries out those contributed knowledge deemed to be of interest and necessary. And who decides what is of interest and necessary? Well, on the one hand, it is European Union regulations that set out what information is necessary in order to draw comparisons between the different countries and regions comprising them. On the other hand, all Spanish institutions involved in compiling official statistics meet with users, trade unions, universities, science academies, confederations, and together they decide which statistics are necessary and how to improve the exciting ones. Moreover, a national statistical program is devised to collect projects to be carried out. Where does the INE obtain the information? For the most part, it comes from responses by thousands of households and companies, but it is also increasingly more frequent for it to be obtained from processing administrative information. For example, birth statistics collect in partnership with civil registers. Whom do we ask? When the INE conducts a survey, it only chooses a few to represent the many. In other words, it takes a randomly selected sample. Thanks to this, we can generalize the results obtained to fit the entire set. And where do we choose this sample from? We select future respondents from a list of households and companies that we call framework. How do we ask questions? We do so via questionnaires, and it is of paramount importance that these are well designed. Questions should be specific, easy to understand and clear, so that they are understood correctly, all the time observing statistical secrecy, which protects confidentiality of responding data. How do we collect information? Once we know what and whom we are going to ask, the next step is to conduct the surveys. Collection may be carried out in a number of ways: by regular mail, by means of face-to-face interviews, over the telephone, or online. It may also be the case that a number of previous means are combined. How do we analyze information? Once compiled, it is analyzed by complex software, which processes thousands of items of data, providing us with quantifiable results. Moreover, certain checks are made in order to detect possible errors or inconsistencies. What do we do with the results? The answer is very straightforward. We publish them, make them available to everyone, free of charge by means of our publications, press releases, social networks, and of course, on our website www.ine.es.